Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I am gonna show you how you can delete your Gmail account. So it's pretty simple. Let's get started. First of all, you guys have to simply open up any of your browser. So after opening up any of your browser, you guys have to simply search for Google account. So after searching for Google account, here you guys have to simply head over to first website, which is google.com. So after clicking on first website, here you guys have to simply click on top right corner of go to Google account option. So here it will provide you a menu. Here you guys have to just tap on data and privacy on left panel, which is third option. So after clicking on that, here you guys can be able to see an option which is more options. You guys have to simply click on this. So after clicking on this, it will provide you more option menu. Here you guys can be able to see two options. You guys have to simply tap on the second one option, which is delete your Google account. So after clicking on delete, here it will ask you for your Gmail password. If you want to change another Gmail, so you guys can just click on use another account. So here you guys have to simply put Gmail and click on next. Then Google will provide you a form. After completely reading the form, you guys have to simply click on submit and your account will be deleted. So that's all for today guys. Hope you would really like it. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.